Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 4.2% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil gain 0.8% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
India's crude oil imports in January slipped from one-year highs hit in the previous month, though fuel demand is expected to recover as several states ease coronavirus restrictions after a decline in cases. General Properties Group Limited, a Chinese developer, said its existing internal resources may be insufficient to meet debt payment obligations next month, according to a filing to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The safe haven Japanese yen fell slightly against the dollar, pulling back after recent gains, but was up for the week on geopolitical tensions.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The French market PMI composite will be released at 08:15 GMT. The French market manufacturing PMI at 08:15 GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0700 GMT. The UK's market services PMI will be released at 0930 GMT. The UK's market manufacturing PMI at 0930 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0130 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.